somebody's asked for a lesson on a tune called Poulópom, which means "Oh my darling." Nice tune. I think it's a fairly new one. So to the person that asked for it, I hope it helps you, and to anyone else that wants to learn it, I hope you get something out of it as well. I'm about 8 tunes behind, so I'm trying to catch up as fast as I can. Some tunes are above my ability, so I won't be able to do those. But anyway, please give the video a like if you like it, and I hope it helps. I'll play the tune first. Okay, so the instrument's tuned to A, E, B, E, B. So we're going to put our first and second fingers down on the high-pitched string, and with a forward bow movement, forward with both fingers down, and back with lifting this finger. So that's forward, and then on the way back, so it's just try and get that note just right here. So lifting the fourth, keeping the first finger down, and then backwards we finish off with no fingers. We're only playing the high-pitched string. You can play the middle, play a bit of the middle string as well with your bow. I'll leave a link in the description to the tune. So you're doing it 3 times, and then on the last one is so forward, it's both fingers down, and on the way back, halfway through, we're going to lift the second finger. So that's called a slur. I've got leave a link in the description where you can practice your slurs. It's when there's 1 bow movement and 2 notes, and then forward 1 finger. And on the way back, you can just play the string there on its own. Then we're going to swivel over to the low pitch side, put second finger on the 2 strings, middle and low pitch, forward, swivel straight over to the high pitch side, forward, back, and then we're going to drop the first finger on the same high pitch string. Again, I'll leave a link in the description to the tune. Those who know it will know when to lift the Okay, that's the other bit. Second, 2 fingers down, and then lifting the second. Okay, and then and I'm doing this without trembles just to make it basic. Then it's first finger on the low pitch side, touching the 2 strings. Forward, touching the 2 strings on the low pitch side. Back, touching the 2 strings with your second finger. Okay. So from the start. Sorry. and that's pretty much it. I'll do a couple of trembles. Tremble the second finger. Sorry. You can just bounce on the first finger here, or you can keep it down and tremble the second. Tremble the second. Just to add something here, you can do a forward slur. You can tremble the fourth finger on the middle string as well, so it's that's the main parts of the tune. To the person that asked for the lesson, I hope you like it. To anyone else that played along, please give it a like. If you've got any requests, I'm actually about 10 behind. I'll try and do them as fast as possible. Thanks for watching.